What's up, guys? Welcome back to Elvis Friday. Okay, welcome back for another one. All right, to all my Elvis baby, welcome back. All right, so this one is Mystery Train. Can't wait to check it out. So if you're new to the channel, or before you leave, you become a part of the SLE family, guys. So let's jump into the video.
Train I ride, 16 coaches long. Train I ride, 16 coaches long. Well, that long black train got my baby and gone. Train, coming round the bend. Train, coming round the bend. Well, it took my baby.
Wow. I love this. I love the old beat and I love the sound of his voice, guys. Like, yeah, the lyrics is as always like listening to him, like telling a story in his song is always so good. Like his beautiful voice and the rhythm does.
But it never will again. No, not again. Train, coming down the line. Train, coming down the line. Well, it's bringing my baby, 'cause she's mine, all mine, she's mine, all mine.
It's mine. My. I love that. That's the thing with him. He's so versatile when he's singing and do these little, yeah, it just always so good hearing him doing it.
Train, coming round the bend, round the bend. Train, coming round the bend, round the bend. Well, it took my baby, but it never will again, never will again.
Yeah. Man, that was so good. That's the thing with him. He's so versatile. See? Any genre. He's so versatile, guys. And he's so good. Like I said, I love to hear when he does this like a hiccup, like repeat verse. Like it's so good hearing him. Like like I said, he's so versatile. The rhythm was on point, of course, and that was a good one. I totally enjoy it as always. Okay, guys, so welcome back to Elvis Friday. Hope you enjoyed this one. Catch you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.